Election results are here. Whilst the political analysts debate the pros and cons of the outcome, let's take a moment to reflect on what we learned about our leaders' finances through this election. As context, in 2014, a massive 72% of the household savings were tied up in property and gold, leaving behind 28% in the financial assets. Fast forward a decade, and financialization of household savings is well underway. Now, 34% is held in bank deposit, fixed deposit, PPF, insurance policies, equity, and cash. Curious about where our elected officials sit along this trend, we have analyzed few of their portfolios as declared in their affidavits. Remember, there's no one portfolio that's right for all. It's highly individual dependent based on risk appetite goals and other factors. Let's see what Narendra Modi has in his portfolio. He plays it safe with secure bank deposits and fixed deposits. The focus with this strategy is to protect what you have. Next up is Rahul Gandhi. He strikes a balance with a mix of cash, stocks, and mutual funds. His portfolio includes both riskier growth instruments such as equities and those with guaranteed fixed returns such as national savings schemes and gold bonds. Next, let's see the portfolio of Tejasvi Surya. He takes bold bets with high exposure to mutual funds and shares, going all in on growth. Next up is Kangana Ranaut. She has all-in-on insurance and luxury assets like gold, silver, and diamonds. This is an approach for those less comfortable with financial assets and higher trusted assets you can see and feel it. Next up is Akhilesh Yadav, a portfolio that's heavy on cash and land, combats inflation with land appreciation. Again, one who trusts what he can see and feel. This shift from traditional assets to a diversified portfolio reflects a broader economic trend in India. 10 years ago, the focus was heavily on property, cash, and gold. Today, we see a trend towards financial assets, as shown in some of our elected representatives' portfolio. As awareness and comfort with this assets rise. As we said, no one approach is right. Managing your finances is a highly personal matter based on your goals, risk tolerance, and comfort. Options are varied, so seek support from a financial advisor when in doubt.